Quantum mechanics is the study of the very small. It tells us how nature behaves in atomic scales. We know that the most fundamental laws are obtained by defining them for the most fundamental particles. So, scientists for ages have tried to define the fundamental laws governing the building blocks of nature and integrate them to explain macroscopic phenomena. Before we start with quantum mechanics, it's crucial to understand how nature operates in a totally different way in microscopic range as compared to macroscopic range. For example, the phenomena of touch is nothing but the electromagnetic interaction between my hand and the object that I am trying to touch. Another interesting property that develops as one moves from micro to macro is the property of rigidness. It is incredible to imagine that atoms which are 99% empty space can produce a rigid bulk matter. It's important to note that there is no known boundary between the two scales, and it is just that at a particular scale one of them dominates. I must say at present the understanding of quantum mechanics is not complete, and we can hope that we may gain major insights regarding it. It's not like quantum mechanics is wrong, as it is very precise with its predictions when it comes to mathematical tools, but rather that we will get major insights about the understanding of quantum phenomena. Quantum We begin with light, which finally led to the formalism of quantum mechanics. The definition of light was always a problem. Newton, in his book Optica, explains certain optical phenomena considering light as a stream of particles. Example reflection. Huygens later explained interference and diffraction of light considering light as a wave. Later, it turned out that light behaved in its own unique way and showed both particle and wave properties, depending on the phenomena it displayed. It later turned out that like light, all other so-called particles also showed a wave nature as hypothesized by Broglie, which we'll talk about later. Next we'll talk about how light was quantized. Stay tuned.